Oh, morning everybody, it's Stack Smart here again, and here we are on non-farms payroll day. The market has been really fascinating over the last few days, and I'm really busy with work and everything at the moment, so I wasn't able to post a a video yesterday, so I'm just catching up today. Now, all the technical factors were pointing towards downside over the last few days, but the news had different ideas. So what happened was the Greeks decided that they would throw a bit of a news bomb out. The finance minister said that if the euro cap didn't cut them a deal, they would move to Bitcoin. And things are a little bit crazy over in Greece at the moment with the anti-austerity news, etc. And in essence, what happened was that rallied the market. So in essence, what happened was we were looking towards a fall in the markets until that news, and then it just caused a real ruckus because the specs thought, well, you know, if Greece are saying they're not going to pay back this debt and they're going to move away from the euro, then it's a significant move, and that rallied the metals up to 17.2. And as you can see, I was talking a little bit about dojis the other day, but in essence we got an exhaustive doji at 17.15 or something. Let me just put a line in here. 17.095, and then we saw another drop. Now the difficulty with predicting anything in the next 24 hours is with the non-farm payroll numbers coming out. It's difficult to predict anything. Looking at the predictions that they've got for today, they're saying that they're expecting a 50,000 drop in the numbers. So they're really trying to make it look like good news when it's not at the moment. So the forecast is 50,000 jobs lost this time. So anyway, it's going to be an interesting day. Certainly momentum for the precious metals is still down, as you can see at the moment. We're starting with these rising 3 patterns, so we've got like a rising 3, and then that was supposed to fall in the technicals, but it actually lifted off the news, and then Greece was just causing all of this choppy type information. So let's get over non-farms payroll. It's either going to rally or capitulate. There's probably going to be a strong move today, one way or the other, depending on what the news is. If I was a betting man, I would say that they're trying to rally the dollar at the moment, so that will cause a fall in the precious metals. But as we've seen over the last few days, the news is so significant to the metals that it's difficult to predict what's going to happen at the moment. If I was just purely looking at the technicals, it seems to me like it's a rising wedge type situation here, but the moves have been so significant over the last few days that it's hard to know. Anyway, I wish I could give you much better information than that at the moment, and once we've got through the non-farms payroll stuff, I'm sure that we'll know a bit better. But let's just see what the market does. I'm not buying at this juncture. I think we're going lower, and I'm looking for a purchase around the 15.5, 16 type of area in the next couple of weeks. Alright, hope that's useful to you, and let's stack smart together. Please subscribe to the channel if you're watching the videos, and I'll catch up with you next time. Speak to you on Tuesday.